Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how Camera Pro Mode works on the Motorola G Pure. Okay, so to open the Camera Pro Mode you have to go for the camera and then go for the Pro right here. At first we are going to focus on these parameters. So first option right here, that's the focus range. As you can see, when I move the slider to the right side, we turns the infinite focus range, and every object that is close our lens right now, it will be out of the focus. But when I'm gonna move it like that, as you can see right now, this button is in the focus. When you want to catch close focus, you just have to adjust it like that. As you can see right now, we can spot some texture on this button. So that's how this option works. The next option is the white balance. Here we can set up shutter delay. The next option is ISO. And the last is exposure compensation. If you want to reset any of the parameters, just click right here on this arrow. In this place we can change photo format. Here we can enable camera shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. We can enable flashlight and change aspect ratio. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.